Hi everyone. Look, I got a package from my new friend Whiting Utensils that I haven't met before. Anyways, let's see what's inside. You guys gonna be happy. You guys gonna be super happy when I tell you this. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes, that's right. As you can see, it says wine utensils at the front. The wine breaker at the back. And this one is a zipper this time. Haha, here it is. Alright. Yes, that is white. The multicolored Joe shirt jacket from the Blues Clues episode Soccer Practice. And it also came with a zipper. Yeah. This also has a tag that says wine utensils. Alright. Hey, it's also and it's also fixed perfect. You know, I might do this soccer practice jacket as a clip from the sprinkle sleepover from Blue's room as pajamas. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.